Now that we know the equation for carbon-14, we're going to use that in example 2. So don't lose that equation once we get to question 2 or example 2. Notice how they're still talking about carbon-14 in here. So anytime you see carbon-14, that should ring a bell that I need to use that equation that we came up with in example 1. So a paleontologist examining the bones of a prehistoric animal estimates that they contain 2% as much carbon-14 as they would have contained when the animal was alive. How long ago did the animal live? So since I'm dealing with carbon-14 again, I'm going to write down that equation, y equals a e to the negative 0.00012 t. We know the rate now, since that's what we solved for in example 1. I'm going to need to come up with a y value, an a value, maybe a t value. We'll probably solve for one of those. Okay, looking at the question, how long did the animal live? Well, if I ask the question how long, that means I need to solve for time t. So I don't know time, which means then that I'm going to know my y value and an a value. And that y value comes off of this idea. Animal estimates that they contain 2%. So we can write 2%. A is your initial value, and if I'm decaying, I should have 100% at the beginning. 100% is the same thing as 1. And we can write 2% as a decimal. That would be 0.02, which would be your y value. So I want to know, how long does it take to go from 100% all the way down to 2%? Plug in your information. 2% equals, since 1 times anything is just 1, I'm not going to put that in there, e to the negative 0.00012 times t. And then we're right back to where we were in example 1. To get the exponent down, we're going to take a natural log on both sides since I'm dealing with a base of e. So natural log of 0.02 equals negative 0.00012 t natural log of e. Remember, the natural log of e is just 1. You can plug it in, check if you still need to. That means I'm going to divide both sides by this rate. So I get natural log of 0.02 divided by negative 0.00012 equals my time t. Take out your calculators. And we'll plug this in. Natural log of 0.02 divided by negative 0.00012. It's going to get me, big year, about 32,600. We'll go to the nearest year. So about 32,600 years. Put in my label in there. That's how long it would take to go from 100% all the way down to 2%.